Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning, January 3rd, 2022. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a little bit of market math. So I've taken this last night high was 47.85. I'm going to make price projection off of this high. And then I've taken this low here of 47.75 and a half, and I'm going to make a time projection off of that. So for the time projection, this is it's a very simple math formula. It's in the book, Perfect Storm Trading Book. It's one of the market math chapters. You just take this price, do one simple calculation on it, and it's going to give me a time. And it gives me a time of 2220 on this bar here, which ends up being the low. And then we got a little bit of a push up on that before we went into the choppy sideways move. And then I'm going to give you this calculation. I'm going to take this high of 47.85 on this bar right here. And very simply, we're going to take the square root of the high. In this case, the square root of 47.85. Get out your calculator, take the square root of that, and it's 69.17. So for this time frame, 69.17, converting that to a price isn't going to do much for us now, but we can float the decimal and we can make that 6.97. So let's say this square root of 47.85 equals 69.17. Float the decimal to 6.9. Let's go with that. So let's mark out a couple of 6.9 ranges down. So from 47.85, that's going to take us down to about 78.2, which is that horizontal line right there. And then let's double that. That's going to take us down to 47.71 and a half, which takes us right to the low here at 2:22 and 2:28 a.m. So those two projections give you solid areas of support or turning point resistance. So the first one ended up being a vibration area where the market tracked up and down around that line for hours. Notice that that line was like a center of gravity where the price oscillated above and below that, and then as the volatility fell off, it hung closer and closer to that line before it finally broke down here at 1:08 a.m. On its way to the next level of 47.71 and a quarter, which was two levels down or two times that range, where it came in, made low before the big rally back up of the 20-point move going back up. So that's really a very simple calculation, but very effective. It will oftentimes give you price termination points in the swing. So there it is, simple math formula. There's a lot more that can be derived off of that, but you can play with that and get something going. That's it for today. We will see you again on Tuesday with another video.